welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the floor plan 40 by 60, 2400 square feet, plot area, and the built-up area is 1050 square feet. Here this is 2 BHK house plan. While entering the main gate, there is a portico cum car parking in the front of west side. Car parking and gardening also available, and the sit out area is available the size of 23 feet by 7 feet, and staircase is uh, placed in the outside of the house in southwest of west corner. While I'm entering the main door, there is a hall in the size of 16 feet 16 by 29 feet to 9 inches. This is a somewhat rectangular big hall. From the hall, you can enter into the dining 11 by 10, and in the exact northeast corner, there is a puja room 5 by 10, and then nearby dining, you can enter into the kitchen 11 by 10, and kitchen stove is placed in the east wall, and then nearby kitchen in the southeast corner, there is a utility in the size of 5 by 10. And then master bedroom is available in the southwest corner in the size of 16 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 3 inches, and dressing cum attached toilet is available for the master bedroom. Dressing in the size 5 by 4 and attached toilet in the size 11 by 4. After that, there is a kids bedroom in the size of 16 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. Here also same dressing cum attached toilet, so 5 by 4 dressing and 11 by 4 attached toilet. So outside on the north side there is a passage area in the size of 4 feet 6 inch by 48 feet 6 inches. So this is a single story 2 BHK house plan. If you need a house plans for your plot size, you can check out our website, the houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. Also, you can WhatsApp us. The number is 9952029063. Also, in the Play Store, our app also available. You can check it out. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, plan list and design list. If you like this video, like it, comment and share it. Also, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.